Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see me eat some chocolate, which is basically what I'm doing. So this is Jackie's Chocolates. It's a subscription box, and I'm gonna give you all the information that you need to know if you're interested in signing up for this subscription box. I'm gonna taste test and let you know if it's going to be delicious and worth your money and all of that, plus if it would be the perfect Christmas gift to give for Christmas, because everyone loves boxes of chocolate for Christmas, especially ones that taste good. So I'm really excited to get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the box looks like sealed up. This is the box that you will get inside of another box, and then it's completely sealed, so you know, no chocolate spilling and whatnot. And so freaking excited. I had never heard of this before, and then I went to YouTube and looked it up, and several other people have been reviewing this chocolate box for a few years now, so I guess it's really popular. I had never heard of it, but I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. I actually had a few extra things in here. I'm not sure if like everyone gets this stuff or because they did send this to me. I do want to disclaim, yes, they did send this to me for free for review. I got a little Jackie's chocolate sticker here. This is going to give me information. Another little sticker, and then this little thing which I think can go on a keychain. I'm not sure, but I think that's what that's for, as well as my agenda. Right off the bat, I want to say that if you use the code YouTube at checkout, you will save $10 off your first order. So that is fantastic. So the monthly subscription is $29.95 per month, and it includes free shipping. They have 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions, and they do make a great gift. So you guys can remind those of you that you love them even more, because chocolate is the way to everyone's heart, right? At least to me. Chocolate is definitely a way to my heart. 100%. So yes, it comes with free shipping, and you can even include a gift message, which is great for gift giving because you're gonna have a gift message included. You know, you have that special someone, send them a box of chocolates to the office. Send them a box of chocolates to school for an event. Send them because, you know, you just want them to have some delicious chocolate, okay? Here's a little side note. Our team checks the weather for each and every shipment. When necessary, we use thermal insulation, deep freeze cold packs, and transit times of 48 hours or less to ensure your chocolates arrive cool and fresh. So that is so thoughtful. So that's just a little added touch that is spectacular. So anyways, if you guys are into these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, I am so excited to rip this plastic off and have some serious major Forrest Gump vibes. I am sitting here and I'm gonna eat some chocolate. I'm so excited. Where is my knife? I need to get in this box now. Oh, great Scott. We've lost Mr. Smith & Wesson again. We found Mr. Smith & Wesson. Okay, here we go. Let's take this. Oh. That was quick and easy. Okay, cool. So let's just open it up and see what we have inside. I'm so freaking excited because I looked up, okay, first off, I looked online and these looked so freaking amazing and scrumdiddlyumptious that I'm just like, I'm dying to freaking eat these, okay? And thank you so much to Jackie's Chocolate for sending this to me. You guys have made my entire month of October. You have no idea. This is the second chocolate unboxing I've done this month. What are y'all telling me? Look at how beautiful these chocolates are. Oh my word. Oh, and this one has little pumpkins, a little leaf. Oh my god, I don't want to drop them, but look at these chocolates. I can't eat these. These are too pretty. I'm gonna eat them. Don't worry. I'm so excited. We're gonna taste test each and every one because I have no shame. So, what do we start with first? Okay, I feel like Matilda. I'm sneaking a bite of a chocolate, okay? I feel literally like Matilda right now. Okay, I don't know which one. Okay, let's go for this little guy here. We're gonna take one bite of them all. So we're gonna go with this one. This one has caramel inside, like a caramelly, it's like a caramelly something, but it's definitely caramel. That's good as crap, man. That's good. Okay, we're gonna go with this one that has these little groovy things on top. This has a creamy flavor. Have you ever seen those black and orange little peanut butter candies. That's what the flavoring of this tastes like, but not like as intense, and obviously not like almost like taffy, but it's like a soft caramel, like a soft chew. If I'm saying that correctly, that's the taste that this is giving off, and it's beautiful. Oh, cannot wait. Okay, next one. We're gonna go for this little guy here. Let's see, what do we think is gonna be in here? Pure chocolate or some caramel? I'm trying to think of the flavors, but my God, is that some good chocolate. Okay, let's go to next. Let's go with this. Looks like a cluster of nuts, maybe. And like, it looks like, I don't know. We're just gonna bite into it. Oh, good. This is so good, I'm gonna cry. All right, let's try this cute pumpkin one. I'm just so excited. This chocolate's so good. I haven't had chocolate this good and I don't know how long, because I mean, I get like the Russell Stover boxes sometimes and the Whitman's or something, and these are just so much better than that. I can't pinpoint the flavor, but it tastes like fall. Spice, maybe pumpkin spice? I'm not sure, but that's good. Here's this one. This one looks like it might be like dark chocolate maybe. I'm not sure because this little guy's dark. Let's take a taste. This is like one of those lemon ones, and these are always like my favorite. They're so good. That's really good. That's like a palate cleanser right there. Nice citrus. Boom, lemon. Yum. That was good. Okay. Now we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna try and find this box online so I can find like what the flavors are, but this one's really good. Let's try this one. Man, I love this box. Do you know how exciting it is that I'm sitting here being able to film a video of me eating candy? It's such a great day. It's a great time. It's actually nighttime, so it's a great night. This is a great night for me. Let's try this one. This is the orange one. This one's so good. I like the flavor of orange too. This orange tastes a lot better than any of the other orange-filled candies that I've ever had. That was a really good one. Now we're gonna try this guy. That one tastes so vanilla-y. I'm so happy. This guy. I'm getting full. Let's try this cute one here. So good. That's what it looks like on the inside. We have 2 more left. Okay. I mean, this one's okay. I just, I don't like coconut. I'm glad I didn't save that one for last. I don't like coconut. That's the only thing. Okay. Last one. You know those little caramel squares? That's exactly what it tastes like, but in white chocolate. I've taste tested them all. I'm just gonna say it right now. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Don't get it twisted. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend you buy this box for everyone you know. On top of yourself. Indulge. Christmas gift. Valentine's Day. Wedding. Subscribe and give them like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. I don't care. Get them this box. This is some yummy freaking chocolate. It tastes better than anything I can buy at Walmart near the Valentine's Day section. You know what I mean? This is good stuff. Thank you for your order. A visit from Grandma Jackie always meant 3 things. A warm hug, stories about Lake Nabagaman, and a box of her old-fashioned handmade chocolates. Stubborn and wise, Jackie never swayed from using the freshest and purest ingredients in her chocolates. We're proud to keep Jackie's tradition alive and happy to share her gift with you. If you find yourself craving more or need gift ideas, visit us online, jackieschocolate.com. Visit them online. I'm telling you, that's good. Oh, okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I had to collect myself. I hope you enjoyed watching me eat chocolate. Best video ever, right? Give it a thumbs up if it's the best video I've ever seen, because it honestly is for me, because that was good. That was some good stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!